Hello and Namaskar from Amarnath Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Sagar under Jabalpur region. Friends, today I am here to say a few words about physical fitness and mental and social well-being through sports. The main topic is fitness and wellness through sports. Friends, healthy mind can be found only in healthy body. And for a healthy body, physical exercise is must. Without physical exercise, our body will grow weak, lethargic, and dull. The aim of education is the all round development of personality. It cannot afford to neglect the physical aspect of a student. Development of mind and body are equally important in any good education. One of the most widely used definition of health according to WHO is a health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease. This definition goes beyond a condition of physical health but include mental and general well being also. Sports and physical activity has long been used as a tool to improve mental, physical, and social well being. Now, I want to focus the first aspect of today's topic, that is physical health through sports. From physical fitness point of view, here are some health benefits of playing sports. Sports make our heart healthy, it prevents diabetes and manage it, it lowers our overweight, it lowers our blood pressure if you have high blood pressure, it balances cholesterol level in our blood vessels, sports improve blood circulation, it boosts our immunity, and in this situation where corona is prevalent all over the world, immunity is must. Sports trains our muscles because of regular exercise and tone it. It makes our bones stronger. Now, next aspect of the fitness and wellness through sports is social and mental health. Here are some mental and social benefits which brings about wellness in our life through sports. First, playing sports improves our mood because any form of physical activity triggers the release of chemical called endorphins which make you feel happier and more relaxed as well. Next, it gives us boost of confidence. Sports are all about setting working towards and accomplishing goals which can be extremely rewarding and empowering. These goals might be to win a game, to score a goal, to perform your best, or simply have fun. Next, it improves our concentration. This is very important from a study point of view. Exercising regularly keeps your mental skill intact, such as critical thinking, learning, and concentration abilities. Next, playing sports help reduce stress and feeling of depression because exercise reduce our level of stress hormone while simultaneously stimulating the production of endorphin as we discussed earlier. Next, it improves our sleep quality. Have you ever noticed how much easier it is to fall asleep after a good workout or sports game? Sure have. I used to sleep like a baby when I played sports every day. That's because daily physical activity makes you tired, help you fall asleep faster and deepens your sleep as well. Next, it provides means for socialization. That is very important for our social life. Playing team sports provide the perfect opportunity for social interaction. It allows you to spend time and bond with old friends as well meet new ones. In addition, this increase in socialization can help reduce stress and also increase your mood. So don't wait a second longer to tackle your favorite sports or try to new one, whether that be volleyball, football, hockey, gymnastic or any other. You will reap the many health benefit and have fun doing it. Apart from this, many other benefits are there for our social life which make us a better citizen, like positive attitude. Sports can bring a positive attitude to your life if played healthily. It refreshes the mind and help in developing a positive and fresh outlook on life. Boost self-esteem, that means playing any particular sport help in building self-esteem. When one improves in any particular sports or skill, one feel good about it. Next is discipline. Discipline become a natural part of life when you start spending time playing sports. This is because sports inspire people to live life by certain rules and regulations and move towards a positive end. Children who indulge in sports feel healthier and develop better and healthier relationship with other people because a positive team based outlook is instilled in them. Next is mutual respect. Playing sports build mutual respect for others as it include playing opposite people, but at the same time respecting them even if they have a negative attitude towards you. Now, calmness. Sports train your mind to think calmly and find new strategies to deal with problem without getting too hyper. Apart from this, other benefits are also there. We can develop better qualities like teamwork, goal setting, etc. Friends, so playing a sport is a fun activity and keeps you fit mentally and physically. It engages the mind and body. So, whether you are good at playing or not, it will always benefit you and improve your fitness level. Playing any sport builds self confidence, develop your personality, and in fact, help you understand yourself better. Most successfully, it helps people to enjoy playing a sport and even use it as an opportunity to network with other professionals. So, my humble request to all of you that adopt sports and make your life better and live this life in a better way. Thank you.